Well, today's lunch will be some fried cubed potatoes with leftover roast chicken legs. This is from a roast dinner that I made a couple of days ago. I had these two left over, and today I don't fancy cooking anything too complicated, so I've got these, which I'll put later in the microwave. But first of all, what I'm going to do is cube the potatoes up like this, like that sort of cubed. So let's do all these. And this being a rate or slate my food, my plate, don't forget to rate or slate it when you have finished watching this short video. And the reason that I'm cutting these in small cubes is because, oops, that fell. It's because being cubed up, I can fry them all in one go. If they were cut as chips, then I wouldn't be able to, because it would be a nightmare to move them about, you know. So cubed up, I can fry loads of potatoes in one go. Okay, so potatoes are cubed up, and now let's turn the stove on. And I've got my frying pan here with sunflower oil, so we'll wait for this to heat up. I'm just going to add a few, so when they start bubbling, I'll add the rest, and I'll put this in the microwave and get it ready for later. I'll be heating it up for about 3 minutes on high once the potatoes are done. Okay, so these are boiling away, so let's add the rest. Okay then, so these are ready. So let's turn this off. And we'll just put them here with some kitchen towel so that the oil, you know what I mean, don't you? The chicken, I'll have to put it in the microwave in a minute. Right, these are ready. Right, so let's salt these to my own liking, obviously. Whey, lovely jubbly. So now let's wait for the chicken. And here's the chicken. It's a big leg, isn't it? And there it is. Easy lunch today. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's quick video. Don't forget to rate or slate my plate. See you soon. Bye bye.